d by dx of tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x is the next problem. Just observe it first. So before going to calculate the differentiation, try to simplify it. So observe it. See, if you observe, treat this x plus 1 plus x square, x by 1 plus x square as some theta, then it is simply tan inverse of theta plus that is tan inverse of say 1 by theta. This is tan inverse theta plus that tan inverse of 1 by theta is simply nothing but cot inverse theta. Okay, so we have tan inverse of theta plus cot inverse of theta. See, the theta is here x by 1 plus x square, and always tan inverse of some quantity theta plus cot inverse of theta is always pi by 2. So this is pi by 2. So this quantity is pi by 2 and we need to apply d by dx for this. So d by dx of this pi by 2 is 0 since pi by 2 is constant. There is the problem. Okay, just by the inverse trigonometric formula, sum of these two is pi by 2. Calculating derivative for this sum is nothing but d by dx of pi by 2. Our answer is 0. There, have a look.